In a pan, add sugar, then add water, and don't mix anything. Place it onto the stove and leave it to cook. Once the sugar melted, you can move the pan a little bit, but you want to caramelize the sugar. So once it starts to go brown, then you can go with your spatula and move it about. Once you're starting to see golden amber color, you're good to put your nuts inside. So add your hazelnuts, mix that through, and then I'm putting it into a prepared baking tray with parchment paper. Make sure you scrub down all the sugar, all the caramel basically, on top of the nuts and leave it to completely cool down and set. Once it's set, it will become like a nice rock candy. You want to blitz this in your food processor, so just break it into little pieces and blitz until you get this beautiful praline powder. It's really so delicious, guys. I can eat it all day. You can use the praline powder in mousses, in creams, in chocolate, in whatever you want. I've made a praline mousse for my dessert next week, which is chocolate and coffee cake, which is incredible. So here's a little teaser for you guys. Enjoy!